Students, are you ready to know many things that we use in our daily life? From where we get it? Today in nature study class, we will learn things we get from trees. Trees are beautiful and useful gift of nature. Yes. So, it gives us shelter, also gives us oxygen to live. Yes or no? Without oxygen, we can live? No. In last class, what we have learned? We have learned about some medicinal plant. In this class, we will learn things we get from trees. Let us see. We get wood. What we make with the woods? We make furnitures, doors, windows. Also in the school you have seen the benches. All are made by wood. See, this is cotton plant. We get cotton from the cotton plant and it is also very useful. Papers, that also we get from trees. And books and copies are made of papers, no? In the notebook you are writing. Glue, in various purpose we use it. Medicines, when we are sick we use it, no? And in our daily life it is very much necessary and useful. Can you say where we get it? In our kitchen, no? Spices. What are these? These are grains, rice, pulses. All we get from plants. Hope you know this. Fruits. This is, yes, all are vegetables. Every day we eat vegetables. Wow, so beautiful. Flowers we get from plants. What is this? Rubber we get from rubber plant. So students, I have collected for you some of the things which we have seen just now in the pictures. Let us see what we find in our house only that we get from plants. You see? Wood. Okay? Then cotton. All I have collected from our house only. Paper. Okay? Medicine. Spices. Various types of spices we get in the kitchen. See, dry tea leaves. We make tea. What is this? Yes, fruits and vegetables. Also we get from plants. Here are some grains. Rice, pulses. See, glue. That also we get from plant. Rubber. We get from rubber plant. Flowers. I have tried to collect for you to show flowers. So, dear students, you have seen all these things we get from trees, which is very, very useful in our daily life. We should plant more and more trees, isn't it? So you can understand how important trees are in our life. Today also you will get a homework. This you will do in your GK copy. You will write the heading Things we get from trees. Then you will draw a picture of tree and color it. And write any 5 things which I have shown you today. So dear students, hope you like the class. Bye bye.